Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Healthy Junk Food. Today, we're going to be making KFC Gravy. This isn't any ordinary gravy though. This stuff is amazing, like it's been blessed by gravy gods. Or they put catnip in it or something. I don't know, but I love it. So we're going to recreate this. It's going to be our KFC Gravy Clone.
First, we're going to make a roux. Melt 1.5 tablespoons of shortening. Then bring the pan to a low heat and mix in just 1.5 tablespoons of the breading flour. Whisk it all in thoroughly, leaving no lumps. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Once the mixture turns brown, remove it from the heat and add the remaining flour and slowly add the liquids to incorporate it so there's no lumps. Once we have all of our liquids poured in, just whisk away until it blends lovely. Lovely as lovely can be. Lastly, add in our spices and our bouillon cubes and bring this pot to a boil while you still whisk away. Now let the mixture boil for at least 2 minutes before reducing the heat. Now go ahead and reduce that heat so we can allow the mixture to thicken. Within 5 minutes, it should be ready to serve.
Alright guys, look out for our next video that we're going to be making the KFC Famous Bowl using this gravy. And we're also going to be showing you some new techniques on how to make the KFC chicken fingers. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I mean, this is a filling meal right here, guys. There's so much to talk about. Let's try it. This KFC gravy.